In this lecture, let's see the importance of backlinks from news sites in search engine rankings. Generally, news sites mention the source website or the domain name of the source news in the body of their news or at the bottom. Some news websites directly link to the original news page, whereas some other just link to the home page of the source website. If your website publishes a news or press release of your newly announced product or services, then news websites may publish that matter and link back to your homepage as the news source. In 2014, the top 10 search results in Google had 333 backlinks from news sites on average, whereas in 2015, this number has risen to 522 backlinks. As said before, if your website publishes news or press releases, then this SEO factor plays a crucial part in your search rankings, as the correlation factor is 22% and is rising year by year. The reason for first three results with lower backlinks from the news sites is those three search results are newer compared to the rest of the search results. It's obvious that newer content would have lesser backlinks than older content. Search results from 4 to 10 have got higher number of backlinks from news websites, but still they rank behind the search results 1 to 3. We have already discussed the reason in the beginning of this section. Number of backlinks doesn't matter after third search result. What matters is the quality of backlinks or the amount of link juice flowing through each backlink and not the number of backlinks. Let me feed your knowledge with a question before we move on to the next lecture. Website A gets 10 backlinks every week on average, and it's a 10-year-old website, whereas website B gets 100 backlinks every week on average, and it's an year-old website. But today, both website A and B have got similar number of backlinks with similar quality. Which website will rank better for a given related keyword? Let's see the answer in the next lecture.